Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Method. In this video, I will show you how to create a new Gmail ID in just a few simple steps. Do not forget like and subscribe. First of all, you open the Gmail app. Here you can see the Gmail app, so click on it. Then click the create account option. Here you click the first option for my personal use. So click on it. After click it, here you enter your name, first name, last name. Then click the next option. After click it, here you select your date of birth. Then here you gender, male or female select. Then click the next option. Here you select your user Gmail ID, e.g. your name and 123 etc. Then click the next option. Here you write strong password. Then click the next option. Then here you can see your new Gmail ID is created. Then click the next option. Here you click again the I agree option. So your new Gmail ID is created. So this is the method. Please like, share and subscribe for more Gmail tips.